Hello, welcome back to another piano tutorial. Today we're looking at Take the Box by Amy Winehouse. This is a song that was recommended to me by somebody in the comment section, so that person, thank you so much for saying what you wanted to hear. I love Amy Winehouse. I totally forgot the song existed, and it's become one of my favorites. I'm sure I've listened to it. It's very beautiful in the chords she uses, and her voice is just fantastic. So, without further ado, let's get into the song. There's three parts to this song. You have the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. How we're going to do this is we're going to do verse and then chords, and then pre-chorus, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to play the verse for you guys, and then we're going to work on the chords, like how we said. Alright, so that was the verse, but what I didn't show you is the first two chords that you'll play for the intro before you start singing the song, and that's just C sharp minor and, here we go, C sharp minor, which is C sharp in your left hand, with G sharp, C sharp, and E in your right, and this is middle C, just for reference. And then the second part of the little intro is G sharp minor 7, which you have G sharp in your left hand with F sharp, G sharp, B, and D sharp. By the way, if you can tell, if you're playing along with me, my piano's a little bit out of tune, but you gotta trust me that these are the right chords, and someday I'll get it retuned and whatever, but anyway, the first two chords that you hear in the song before you start singing, like I said, are C sharp minor and G sharp minor 7. That out of the way, the first two chords of the song are the same ones. You have C sharp minor, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and so you played that C sharp minor and G sharp minor 7 chords like in the beginning. Then you get to this chord, which is a D major 7. So I have D in my left hand with F sharp, A, C sharp, and D. And then you have E flat minor, which is E flat, G flat, B flat, E flat. And that's 1 and 2 and 3. So it's only for 3 beats. 3 half beats, 3 eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3. So on the end of 2, you have this A flat 5 augmented. It's not A flat 5, excuse me. It's an A flat augmented chord. So I have A flat E in my left hand with A flat C and E in my right. And then you go back to the beginning and play C sharp minor 7, which you learned earlier. So it's C sharps, E, G sharp, B, C sharp. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G sharp minor 7 again for that long. 1 and 2 and 3. Back to this D major 7 chord. And then you switch to F minor for 3 beats, or for 3 eighth notes, like I said. F minor, which is F, C, F, A flat C, and then B flat minor for the rest of that, which is B flat, D flat, F, B flat, D flat, F. We're going to play the verse all the way through again, and I'll talk as the chords go, as the chords go in order, so you can figure out so you can play it for yourself. So from the beginning, we have C sharp minor, G sharp minor 7, D major 7, E flat minor, A augmented, C sharp minor, and 3 and 4, and G sharp minor 7 and 3, D major 7, F minor, B flat minor. So now you have the verse with the chords. We're going to go on to the pre-chorus, and I'll play it for you guys before we go on. So the pre-chorus is kind of short. It repeats the same couple chords twice, so there's not any difference in between them. The first chord you're going to have is E flat minor chord, which you learned earlier, for 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. On beats 3 and 4, you have B flat minor 7, which is almost what you learned earlier, except we're going to add this A flat. So B flat, D flat, F, A flat, B flat, D flat, F for those 2 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then each chord I'm going to play is for 1 beat. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a bit tricky, but it's not too bad. So you have the B flat minor 7, and then for the first beat you have B minor 7, which you're moving up a half step for all the notes you just played. You have B, D, F sharp, A, B, D, F sharp. For beat 1, beat 2 is an E major chord. So E, I do E, G sharp, B, E. And then so you have C sharp minor 7, which is C sharp, well, you learned this earlier, C sharp, G sharp, B, C sharp, E. And then an F sharp 7 chord, F sharp 7, where you have F sharp in your left hand with F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, and E. And that repeats. So I'm going to do it slowly for you guys twice, so you get an idea of what's going on. You have E flat minor 2, B flat minor 7, 4, B minor 7, E, C sharp, F sharp. Repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, B minor, E, C sharp minor 7, F sharp 7, excuse me. And then you get into the chorus part, which sounds like this. The first chord you have is this B major 7 chord, and I play it like this. I play B, D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, B, D sharp, F sharp. And I play that for 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. For this next chord, I do a suspended E chord, or it's a suspended E major 7 chord. So I have E in my left hand with A, B, and D sharp, and then I go from the A to the G sharp. And that happens twice. So you have B major, 2, 3, 4, E suspended, E, and then you repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, E, E. And then you have this chromatic line that she does in the song too. You start on this B major 7 chord again. I mean, it sounds like this: 1 and 2. So it's going B major 7 to a B flat major 7, which is B and F in your left hand with A, B flat, D, and F in your right. So triplet, triplets. Go to this A major 7 chord, A, E in your left hand with G sharp, A, C sharp, and E in your right. And then back to the E chord. So slowly, B major 7, 2, 3, triplet, E. And then you end the song with an G sharp minor 7 chord, which you learned earlier. But to go back into the next part of the song, which is like the second part with the verse and the pre-chorus and whatnot, everything we just played basically, you do 1 and 2 and 3, and then the A flat, the G sharp augmented chord, which you learned earlier. Thank you guys for enjoying the video. If you do please like and subscribe for more content. If you want something that you can't find on the internet, then maybe send me a song. I can maybe do something like this again. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.